Mastering the Sounds of English Consonants. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another informative session on our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English consonants. Understanding how to pronounce English consonants correctly is the key to sounding more natural and fluent. So, let's get started. A consonant is a speech sound that's not a vowel. In English, there are 21 consonant letters in the alphabet: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Remember, it's not the letter itself, but the sound it represents that makes it a consonant. Pronouncing English consonants can be tricky, but with practice, you'll be able to master them. Here's a simple guide to get you started. B, like the B in bat, pronounced with both lips. C, can be like K in cat, or S in scent. It depends on the following letter. D, like the D in dog, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. F, like the F in fish, pronounced by forcing air through a narrow gap formed by the lower lip and upper teeth. G, usually like G in go, pronounced at the back of the throat. H, like the H in hat, pronounced by releasing a breath of air. J, like the J in jump, pronounced with a soft sound, not hard like G. K, like the K in kite, pronounced at the back of the throat. L, like the L in love, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. M, like the M in man, pronounced by closing the lips. N, like the N in nose, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. P, like the P in pot, pronounced with both lips. Q, always followed by U, and pronounced like KW, as in queen. R, like the R in red, pronounced in the middle of the mouth without touching any part of the mouth. S, like the S in snake, pronounced by forcing air through the teeth. T, like the T in top, pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. V, like the V in van, pronounced with the bottom lip and upper teeth. W, like the W in wind, pronounced by rounding the lips. X, usually like K's, as in fox. Y, like the Y in yellow, pronounced by rounding the lips. Z, like the Z in zebra, pronounced by forcing air through the teeth. There you have it. That's our quick and easy guide to pronouncing English consonants. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sounds and soon, they will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you in our next session.